Start by turning off water, removing the toilet, and clearing the flange area so you can measure and cut tiles safely and accurately. Measure the distance from the flange center to the finished wall and transfer that to the tile layout so the flange lands in the correct position relative to grout lines. Dry lay the tiles and mark the flange center on the tile that will surround it, then use a nail and a piece of string or a chalk line to scribe a perfect circle the size of the flange plus a small margin for caulk and movement. Allow a margin of about 1/8 of an inch around the flange for caulk and to prevent future cracking of the tile from compression against the metal or plastic ring. If the flange is irregular or has bolt slots, mark and cut those slots as well, removing only what is necessary for a snug fit. Use an angle grinder with a diamond blade for circular cuts and a wet saw for straight cuts. When using a grinder, keep the blade steady and make multiple shallow passes rather than one deep cut to reduce chipping. Always test fit the cut tile around the flange before setting with thinset. Check that the flange sits flush with the finished tile height and verify bolt holes line up so the toilet will sit even and not rock. Common mistakes include cutting the hole too tight, which prevents applying a bead of caulk and can cause stress cracks, so leave a small, uniform gap and fill it with flexible silicone. Another frequent issue is not dry fitting the tile, which leads to misalignment of bolt holes. So always test fit and mark bolt locations after the tile is in place. A third problem is damaging the flange while cutting close to it, which can compromise the seal and cause leaks. So protect the flange with cardboard or remove the flange if it will be in the cutting path, and replace or repair it before reinstalling the toilet. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to compare installer experiences related to tasks like tile work and flange adjustments. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, post pictures, and ask questions so everyone can make smarter decisions and find work.